sum up this video that's about to happen, Pan was talking to a friend of ours, Jazz, just in case if you're wondering while watching the clip, why was she talking to herself? She wasn't. She was talking to her friend Jazz through my cell phone. So yes. Anyway, how have you all been? I've been doing not so well. Just to let you all know. But anyway, who's doing the, one day without shoes thing? The Tom shoes thing? I have a flag over there. So yeah, I'm doing that this Thursday, so I'm going to put a link there for all you to see, maybe a Facebook link also, just in case if you're interested. That means no shoes, absolutely no shoes, no socks either, because that's just cheating. Unless you go into a building that requires you to wear shoes, and okay, but like, find old shoes with like no bottoms to it just to freak people out. Alright, see ya.
So, we're gonna do it again. Sorry, I'm very annoying. Yeah, I am. Very. Yeah, I'm very annoying. If it jumps at your hand, I'm gonna laugh. I'm gonna laugh too. It's gonna like take your hand off. It's talking to her. It's just trying to. It's so funny. It's gonna eat the camera.
That's because your hand's there.
Yeah. He's not sure whether to go for the camera or Red's hand. Because he's in the pet store. Too many cats over here. Sorry. So sorry, honey. I feel like I'm annoying you.
Are you filming a video?
Yeah.
Who here misses Invador Zim?